Good morning, y'all. It is your girl Lala's World, and yeah, this is gonna be a maintenance vlog because I've decided that I want to get my hair done. As y'all can see, no wig in my head, but you know, it is what it is. And my nails is gonna get done today because look at this shit, it's broken. So my nail is broke. My hair isn't fully done yet, and yeah, so I'm about to go get my hair done because I have things to do. So just come along with me, okay, y'all?
I've been kidnapped.
So I'm getting my hair done by my hairstylist, and if you think my hairstylist looks like me, that's because we're sisters.
We're not.
Bye. State your name.
Adopted.
Hey, you said it, not me.
No, you.
I can never.
I know that.
I could never. I'm older than you. They have to think about if they want it you. All right, tell them how old you are. Tell them what you do.
I'm Vanessa, I'm 15, and I do hair.
Hell no, this girl. Let me tell y'all something about this one here. This one thinks that she's
the baddest bitch.
Oh, hey.
What? They have to know the truth.
She doesn't curse, y'all. I don't know why she's cutting up like this.
Don't be lying for you, too.
What's wrong with you?
The baddest. No question.
Yeah, it's early, so she's, you know, she's not in a good mood. But
when are you ever in a good mood?
me? I'm always in a good mood. Anyways.
Your nappy.
My hair's...
Oh, sorry.
Anyways.
Frank.
So... yeah, I'm gonna let her just do what she do best.
Slurpee.
is that you don't want to be recorded. Professional. I'm back and today is nail day, so I'm about to be on the way. If you're wondering why I'm wearing black, I have training today at 4, so I have a nail appointment at 1. Now I gotta go to work at 4, so we're gonna see if we can get all of this done. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. Hopefully she let me record, because I do go to a new nail tech, so hopefully she lets me record. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all. So we're not done with maintenance. I'm about to go get my toes done. I went to this nail salon right by my house and they just took off my nails. There we go. Y'all peep. Y'all see the material. Oh, I'm stupid. Anyways, so I went there, they just took off my nails and I want to see if they'll be able to do my toes. I am going to put that acrylic toe back on because I'm not dancing anymore. So come with me to go get my toes done.